So you want to try making a pizza. That's awesome. It's easier than you think, and it's just so good. We're going to be trying Caputo Flour and Cup4Cup side by side, and also using a Blackstone pizza grill. Stick around. We'll start out with an easy recipe no matter which flour you choose. There's a link in the comments for the full recipe. With the flour in your mixer, add the water, yeast, and salt. Mix it for 4 or 5 minutes until the dough is smooth. Then, carefully add the olive oil. Yeah, don't do that. Continue mixing for another 3 minutes. Your dough should look like this. Spread out some flour and start shaping the dough. Gradually shape it so you have an even thickness in the middle, about 1/8 of an inch thick with a nice thick crust on the edge. Use enough flour so the dough doesn't stick, and gently slide a lightly oiled peel underneath. Now spread the sauce and add your favorite toppings. Today it's sausage, pepperoni, spinach, and ricotta. This time we're using the portable Blackstone pizza oven, but you can also use your oven in the kitchen set to 450 as long as you preheat a pizza stone inside. First up is Cup4Cup, and then we have Caputo. They both came out great, gotta tell you, but Cup4Cup was a little bit bready, and Caputo came out to the way this Jersey boy likes his crust, so I'd have to give the edge to Caputo. Now to the Blackstone. This is actually my second Blackstone pizza oven. The first one had a rotating pizza stone, and quite honestly, I kind of miss it. But this oven does a great job. I will admit that I put on an adjustable propane supply line so we can turn up the burners a little bit. The one that comes standard out of the box stores, well, it just doesn't have the horsepower. But no matter what, it's going to do a great job, and either way, you're going to be well on your way to becoming your own pizza. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this helped. Please follow us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Links are in the comments. And either way, best of luck. Enjoy your pizzas. Ciao.